How long does it take to get your tax refund? You've already filed your taxes, you're expecting a juicy refund, and now you're just waiting. In your mind, you've probably already spent that money either on some new clothes or you're expecting to use that money to pay off some credit card debt. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly when to expect your tax refund, why it's being delayed, and one of the free tools the IRS has to help you track your refund. So let's get right into it. The fastest way to get your refund is to file electronically and set up a direct deposit of your refund. And if you do both of these, the IRS expects that your refund will be received within 21 days of them accepting your return. Now, in practice, most people see their refund hit their bank accounts within 10 to 14 days. Now, if you filed electronically but you ask for a paper check, add another week or two on top of that because the return processing time might be fast, but the check still has to get printed and mailed out to you. If you filed a paper return, that's a whole different story. We're talking about 4 to 8 weeks minimum, and if the IRS is running any kind of backlog, which happens more often than you think, it can stretch much longer than that. So if you haven't filed yet and you're expecting a refund, the single best thing you can do is to e-file and set up a direct deposit. It's free, it's fast, and there's no reason not to do it. So what do you do if you're expecting a refund but you still haven't received it? Well, the IRS has a free tool called Where's My Refund, and it's available at the irs.gov website, and there's also a mobile app version. Although I haven't heard really good reviews on the mobile app version, so I personally recommend you use the irs.gov website to track your Where's My Refund. To use either of these tools, you're going to need 3 things: your social security number or your ITIN if you don't have a social security number, your filing status, and the exact amount of your expected refund that you're expecting on your return. Once you have these, the tool is going to show you one of 3 statuses. Either your return is received, your refund is approved, or your refund is sent. Once it hits the refund sent, direct deposit usually lands within 1 to 5 business days depending on your bank account. One other thing to know, it only updates once a day, usually overnight, so there's no point in checking it 5 times a day before noon. Once a day is totally enough. Okay, what if you're past the 21 days and you still have not received your refund? Well, here are a few reasons why your refund may be delayed. The biggest one, and this catches a lot of people off guard, is if you claim the earned income tax credit or the additional child tax credit, this causes delays because it gets scrutinized a lot more if you claimed any of these credits. Another reason why your refund may get delayed is if there are any errors or any mismatches on your return. So for example, if you reported that you earned $50 of interest income, but the IRS showed that you earned $60, that could cause a delay. Or if you made a math error on your calculations, that too can cause a delay. Or you just simply forgot to report some source of income, that is definitely going to cause your return to get delayed or your refund to get delayed. Typically, the IRS sends you a notice if there are any errors like this, but this causes the delay and slows things down for you. Filing a paper return is a surefire way of delaying your refund, so whenever possible, avoid filing a paper return. Lastly, any aberrations to your return can cause the IRS to further scrutinize your return and also delay your refund. So for example, if you had charitable donations that were much higher than ever before, this could delay your refund. Or maybe you had some consulting income for the first time and now you're reporting a loss, this too can cause delays in your refund. So any exceptions to your historical filing status can delay your refund even further. If it's been more than 21 days since you e-filed your return and the Where's My Refund tool isn't giving you a clear answer, then the next step is to call the IRS directly. But I'll be honest with you, the hold times for the IRS are absolutely brutal. And that's assuming that you can even get through onto the hold queue. Most of the time you call the IRS phone lines and they're so busy you can't even get on a hold queue. One more thing worth mentioning is if you filed an amended return, which is a 1040X, the timeline is completely different because amended returns can take up to 16 weeks or more to process. And the regular Where's My Refund tool on the IRS website won't track them. There's a separate tool on the IRS website called Where's My Amended Return, also on the irs.gov website. So use that tool instead if you did an amended return and are expecting a refund. So to recap, e-file with direct deposit is the fastest way to get your refund, usually within 21 days. Use the Where's My Refund tool on the IRS website to track your status. It updates nightly, so don't check it regularly throughout the day. Also, double check your return before you're filing to make sure you catch any errors that you might have, because if you have any errors on your return, that too can delay your refund. And if something looks off or it's been longer than 21 days, check the tool first on the irs.gov website before attempting to call the IRS, because you don't want to be caught in that IRS hold queue. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have a topic that you want me to cover in a future video, or if you have a question on this video, leave it in the comment section below.